Drawing conclusions with logical reasoning. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of academic writing and research, drawing conclusions. And to do that effectively, we'll be focusing on using logical reasoning. So, if you've ever found yourself stuck at the end of an essay or research paper, unsure of what conclusion to draw, this video will be a game changer for you. Logical reasoning refers to the process of analyzing information in a structured, step-by-step manner to reach a conclusion. It's about using facts, evidence, and logical thinking to make sense of a topic or situation. Imagine you're a detective, piecing together clues to solve a mystery. That's logical reasoning in action. 1. Gather relevant information. Before drawing any conclusions, make sure you have all the necessary information. This could be data from your research, observations, or other relevant facts. 2. Analyze the information. Look for patterns, contradictions, and connections among the different pieces of information. Ask yourself, what stands out? 3. Ask the right questions. Questions like, why did this happen? How does this relate to that? Or, what are the implications? Can guide your reasoning process. 4. Consider multiple perspectives. Sometimes, looking at an issue from different angles can offer new insights. 5. Weigh the evidence. Determine which pieces of information are most reliable and relevant to your topic. 6. Draw a conclusion based on evidence. After analyzing everything, come up with a conclusion that is supported by the evidence you've gathered. As you develop your reasoning skills, be wary of logical fallacies, errors in reasoning that weaken arguments. Some common ones include ad hominem, attacking the person rather than the argument; hasty generalization, drawing a conclusion based on insufficient evidence; circular argument, when the conclusion is used as one of the premises; post hoc, assuming that because B follows A caused B. Remember, avoiding these will strengthen your conclusions and make your arguments more compelling. And there you have it. Drawing sound conclusions is both an art and a science. By applying logical reasoning, you'll not only improve your academic writing but also develop a critical thinking skill that's invaluable in many areas of life. We hope this video has shed light on how to approach conclusions with confidence and clarity. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.